Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So great example of what noise can do, and you can see pretty much most of the week we were trending down, and then the Feds came out saying that there's pretty much zero chance of interest rates, and forecasting an economy boom and yada yada yada, and of course the market reacted accordingly. So anyway, that's kind of the news at the moment. What you do see at the moment on the 8 hour is a cup and handle that's formed. So neckline of that cup and handle is all the way up here at 119.923. So break and retest of that area validates that cup and handle, and then you have a measured move target to the upside, pretty much of something of that magnitude, which comes back to test this area of resistance around 121,400. Okay, so just moving down the hour, what are we looking for? We had a trend line, we've had a trend line break, we're having a bit of a pullback. Looking for structure, so I'd be looking to buy off this area, 119,532 is the one area, and you might as well just add the next level in. And what I would also do is probably just put a Fibonacci in here. So that first level is a 38.2, and then you've got the 50% Fibonacci further down and the 60% Fibonacci even further down. So 3 levels to watch: 119,532. You're going to prefer 119,400. And 119,322 would be awesome. Just bear in mind we had this gap yesterday as well, so that is going to be a magnet. So this was basically a 5-minute gap. So as the meeting finished and the statement was ready, that's pretty much what happened. We gapped up and rallied. Okay. Anyway, so I'd be waiting for pullback. So those are the levels wait for. See if we can get some structure on that and then move. If those structures give way, then we're coming back to close this gap. US dollar, Japanese yen, pretty much sideways still, even though we've had this big leg down. And yeah, so there's a dollar weakness, dollar strength. So there's still a lot of confusion on this pair. I think we'll sit quietly. We do have the jobs number today as well, more data this today. Nothing really that I can comment about here. Yeah, we had the move down, and then we've had obviously some Japanese data come out, I think, because I see there's some movement on the British pound yen as well. So that's sideways. I'm not interested in that, staying far away from that. British pound, Japanese yen, we are still in this channel. So if I extend this channel higher up, you can see we're still very much in the channel. We just haven't formed a newer high. So if we look at it from the hour perspective, yesterday was sideways down on the bottom of the channel, not really into a level, and then up again. So this is another one which is looking sideways. Yeah, I'm definitely not interested in this at the moment. I want a clear break of this area here, 152.080. Clear break and retest, and then I'll look at it. But at the moment, it does look like a bit of a pullback from this last move. So this move, pullback, probably find this is a Fibonacci pullback as well. It's in the zone that we highlighted yesterday. So it's 151.722 and 151.676. That is in the zone, but look, my oscillators, that's just concerns me a little bit. And the fact that we're going sideways, not making many new highs at the moment, is a pretty big inverse head and shoulders here. So that's why I say this neckline needs to go, and we need to retest it. So 152.080, break, retest, I'm long. Aussie dollar, US dollar, pretty much sideways as well. No real rhyme or reason to get into here. And you can see we've had a gap up. It looks like an exhaustion, not an exhaustion bar, but a spinning top of sort forming at the moment on the 8 hour. You can see we were going sideways for so long, and all of a sudden the noise comes out. We really break through this level of 0.77990, but I want to see pullback before I start buying into it. And then the other thing is my oscillators. Look at them. Not an area I want to be buying at the moment. I want to wait for pullback, and I want those oscillators off, preferably at the bottom, but so long as they're off the 80 and we get to a level that would indicate to me that we have an opportunity to get long, and this break is going to be sustainable. At the moment, I'm not entirely convinced. We've got a gap down here, it's a magnet. We've got a gap here, that's also a magnet. I suspect this gap will close today, so I think we're definitely going to tag 077990, but it's not really an area I want to be getting long in. I'd prefer to be long further down, 077681. Personally, I think the market's going to need to digest what Paul was saying yesterday, but yeah, I think I'll just be cautious, and we'll just sit this out a little bit longer. Euro, British pound, pretty much sideways. No real reason to get involved. This 8-hour pin bar is pretty interesting. If we have a look at this on the hour, you'll see off structure, but look what we're doing with the moving average: above, below, above the moving average. So I'm not entirely convinced of a direction just yet. To me, this is all sideways. So it's range bound, which is just dangerous for me. So we'll sit on the sides for that one as well. And British pound, New Zealand dollar, still haven't really moved this. Going to have a look for something else over the weekend, and we'll populate the slot with something else. But at the moment, that's sideways on the 8-hour, and it is pretty much sideways on the hour as well. Above and below the moving average is not really moving anywhere, just ranging about. Does look like it's coming to an opportunity to buy. Diversions, low, lower, low, low, higher, low. I'd want to see a crossover here. So yeah, it does look like an opportunity to buy, but a massive stop loss of 900 points. And then I would target that gap. But anyway, I'm not interested in this. We're above and below the moving average. I want to see some structure form and a trend form, and we haven't had one, and I think I've given it long enough now. So yeah, we'll look for something else here. Anyway, not much going on in Forex this morning. We do have more data coming out, so no trade is a good trade at the moment. I think you'll probably find some better opportunities on the indexes. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.